Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including a new water pump, gasket, and fresh coolant. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment like gloves and eye protection. Having the right equipment on hand will make the job much smoother and safer, ensuring you are prepared for each step of the replacement process. Now, let's get started with the removal process. Begin by safely draining the old coolant into a designated container. Proper disposal is crucial. Next, you'll need to remove any hoses, belts, or other components that are blocking your access to the water pump. Once clear, carefully unbolt and detach the old water pump from its mounting location on the engine block. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding parts. With the old pump removed, it's time for the new installation. First, meticulously clean the engine's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new gasket. Then, carefully position the new water pump with its fresh gasket and secure it using the appropriate bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect all hoses, belts, and other components that were removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug and properly aligned. After installation, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of fresh coolant. It's important to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating, so follow your vehicle's specific procedure. Run the engine and carefully check for any leaks around the new water pump. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. A thorough test drive will confirm everything is working perfectly, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.